A will or trust can bequeath property. I leave my trademark registration number 1234567 to my daughter. That is a valid bequest. But transferring a trademark registration or patent is not complete with the bequest alone. It requires a separate legal document called an assignment, filed and recorded with the USPTO. For copyrights, there is a corresponding process with the Copyright Office. Without that recorded assignment, the new owner may technically have inherited the rights, but they are going to have serious trouble exercising them. Challenging an infringer, defending the registration against a third-party attack, licensing to a business partner, all of that becomes complicated and potentially impossible without the recorded transfer. Most estate attorneys who do not specifically practice IP law don't know this step exists. That is not a criticism, it's a specialization issue. Your estate attorney is managing bank accounts, real estate, personal property, taxes, complicated family situations, etc. That's a lot. The USPTO and Copyright Office assignments are an IP-specific requirement that often falls through the cracks. But here's the practical solution. The more specific your estate documents are about your IP, the better. All intellectual property I own as a catch-all is better than nothing, but registration numbers are what make the assignment actually manageable. This is why it's good to have your IP attorney work with your estate attorney. Each can bring their expertise to the planning. Your IP attorney should be giving your estate attorney specific information about what IP exists, what needs to be filed with which agency, in what form, and on what timeline. That conversation needs to happen while you're alive to make it happen. Your estate planning shouldn't just cover what happens to your IP when you die either. That needs to be worked into your powers of attorney, and specific instructions for your agents need to be written down so they can make sure everything runs smoothly if you can't run it yourself. I'm Julie King with King Patent Law. Ready to protect your brand and business? Book a consultation at kingpatentlaw.com. Avoid the legal horrors and keep rocking your IP. This is not legal advice and I'm not your lawyer. For advice about your specific situation, consult with a licensed attorney. This contains attorney advertising material. Firm address and contact information are available at kingpatentlaw.com.